The Boy Who Cried Wolf.
Once upon a time, in a little village, there was a boy named Jack who had a job to watch over some sheep. Jack got bored easily and wanted to make things more interesting. One day, he decided to trick the villagers. He shouted, "Wolf! Wolf! A big scary wolf is coming to get the sheep!" The villagers hurriedly came to help, but Jack just laughed and said it was a joke. Later, Jack did the same trick again. He yelled, "Wolf! Wolf! The wolf is back, and it's even scarier!" The villagers rushed to help, but once again, Jack was just playing a prank. They told Jack that tricks like this were not funny. As weeks passed by, a real danger approached. A real wolf showed up near the village. Seizing the opportunity, he climbed the hill and screamed, "Help! Help! The real wolf is here, and it's going to eat our sheep!" Remembering Jack's previous pranks, the villagers hesitated. Doubt crept in, and they questioned the truth of his words. Unfortunately, while the villagers debated, the cunning wolf attacked the flock and scattering the sheep in fear. The villagers rushed to the hill, but it was too late. Jack, realizing the severity of the situation, regretfully admitted his lies. Jack felt really sorry for what happened. He learned that telling lies and playing tricks can cause big problems. From that day on, Jack promised to always be honest. The villagers forgave Jack and worked together to find the sheep and make sure the village was safe. And so, they all learned that telling the truth is important, especially when it matters the most.